Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we received the Huafit Watch S8 Smartwatch, a sports and health smartwatch with a slightly curved body frame. So we'll check this smartwatch. We'll have the unboxing review of its design, the specs, as well as the UI. So we'll check this smartwatch from specs to its UI. So if you are interested to know more about this wearable, especially its specs or specifications, and of course the curved body frame, watch this video. And if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below. And of course, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the design, specs, and UI of the Huafit Watch S8 Smartwatch. So this is the packaging of the wearable. So it's still the same with the previous model of Huafit Smartwatch. So this is, I think it's a sub-brand by Aulon. Huafit. So we have the QR code here. So this is JU Pro. We have some details on the specifications. We'll check on this later on. And features here. Okay, for the contents, let's remove the plastic here first. So what are the contents of the S8? So let's check. We have a very simple packaging, similar to previous Huafit smartwatch. And the contents are, we have of course the smartwatch with the strap attached, and we have the charging cable, pogo pin, USB type A with the branding of Aulon here, and of course we have the user manual. I think the last smartwatch that we have from Huafit is the Huafit Metro 2. Let's put this back. Again, we have the smartwatch. The contents are, we have the smartwatch here, the user manual, and the charging cable. So the smartwatch, the strap is already attached to the body frame. Next, let's check out the design of the wearable. So before we check on the design, here are some details about the user manual. It is available in different languages. So the main language here is English, and we have other supported languages here. So we have some details about the smartwatch features here, the charger, what else, and that's it. And of course the general specs here. Okay, again, here are the supported languages. For the design of the wearable, we have a flexible silicone strap, plastic body frame, flat on the bottom part, but the screen display here is a bit curved. We have a single, I think this is, I don't know if this is rotary, we'll check it later. We do have a single crown button on this side. So we have a plastic body frame. What we have is the silver color. We have a flexible strap with a quick release pin already attached. And what are the details here? Huafit So Huafit S8 curved screen. Again, let's have a closer look at the smartwatch here. We have a slightly curved top, including the screen, not just the body frame. Flexible silicone strap with a plastic buckle, not stainless steel, but plastic buckle here. For the dimension, let's check. So the whole body frame is 51.5 for the length. For the width, we have 40.0, and for the thickness, will not include the sensor here, it is around 11.8. For the weight, with the strap attached, 0, we have 42.15. Okay, so I think it's a cool looking smartwatch, unisex smartwatch with a fashionable design, sporty, fashionable body frame. For the specifications, we have some details on the packaging, I think. So we have, what's the screen size? 2.01 large screen display, 3D curved glass, lightweight body frame. We have version 5.3 for the Bluetooth and 180mm waterproof. Okay, for additional information on the specs, we have here smartwatch specifications: 240 by 296 pixel resolution. We have the processor here, and the battery is 350 mAh. Android 5.0 and above, iOS 9.0 and above platform. Again, here are the specs. For more detailed specifications, I'm going to put it here. The specs, the support app, the pixel resolution, and the connectivity. Okay, so now that we are done with the specifications, we will check now the UI of the smartwatch. So let's remove this and let's check out the screen display, including the UI. Again, we do have a curved screen here. Let's turn it on. Let's check. Hopefully we still have a battery left. Yes, we still have. Huafit powered by Owlon. Let's see if this is rotary. Yes, it is a rotary button. So slim black border on top and right, left and right. On the bottom part is a bit wide. For the UI, okay, on top we have the options here. On the bottom part we have the notifications. On the left side we have the split screen, and the right side we have the different cards. To access the main menu, just press, I think, the power button. Let's see. No, it's not. Again, top, bottom part, components, split screen. Okay, to access the main menu, we have here this one, and that's it. Okay, it's a bit different way to access the main menu. Again, UI on top, we have the options here and the settings. On the bottom part we have notifications, we have the widgets here, and we have the split screen. So this will serve as a return button. Let's see, double press, nothing else. Okay, so that's the UI of our Huafit Watch S8 smartwatch, including the packaging, contents, design, dimension, and specs. If you have any questions regarding the wearable, drop a comment below. And of course, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.